tatama ulit namin during training. So yun nga, ano naman namin yung Zeus Kobe na na-control naman namin sila. Pero nung first set, medyo maganda yung rally ng Zeus. Pero pagdating ng mid ng first set, yun medyo naka-timing na ulit. Then dire-diretso na.
Thank you, Coach. For Kat, you had 28 points in this game. Just how happy are you with how the team's performing after this game?
I'm so proud of them. I admire their attitude and their motivation to get back into the gym this week and really work hard. They really put some effort in this week, and I'm super proud of them.
Thank you, Kat. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, ano lang po reason ba't hindi nakalaro si Ara?
Si Ara may slight strain siya sa left rotator cuff, I think, o sa shoulder niya. So, pinahinga lang muna namin siya kasi hindi na namin siya masyadong sugal tong ngayong araw na to kasi meron pa mga importanteng games. I mean, yung presence niya mas kailangan dun sa mga susunod. So this time, para yung naka-focus kami this time kay Ses, Shaya and Dapol. So yun sila muna mag-fill up nung position na naiikutan ni Ara tsaka though andyan naman si Mylene. So Ara nagre-recover lang ng slight dun sa minor injury niya sa shoulder.
Now for Kat, you were dealing with some minor physical establishes the past couple of weeks. How are you managing the need to rest as well in the midst of a very tight schedule and seeking playoff contentions?
I think this past week's been a little bit difficult. Like I said, they've been really good about resting me. I think going into the last match, I think I'd missed like 5 days of practice, and I was only able to practice the day before the game. But again, I know my body. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm 100% when the time is right. So right now, I don't have to be 100%. I just need to make sure I'm working on the things I need to work on. But they're just really good about trying to keep me healthy and making sure that I'm ready to go towards the end. So that's the most important.
For Coach, ngayon nga po hindi na makakabalik si Ea for this conference. Gano'n ka po kakumpiyansa na sa kung ano pinapakita nila Mylene, Shaya, at Dapol po na kumbaga covered pa rin nila yung offense niyo kahit may kulang nga po sa inyo?
Well, yung kumpiyansa, kinukuha naman namin yan sa kung paano kami nag-prepare for certain match. So, number one is I think yung health nila, yung 100% na prepared yung katawan nila. So, walang iniinda. Mas malaking confident para sa amin yun kasi nga alam namin makaka-perform sila sa maximum performance nila.
Coach, looking ahead lang sa quarterfinals, parang paano mo lang gusto makita sa team na, it's not just si Kat yung score talaga ng big points na parang talagang kalat yung offense yung talaga lang?
Definitely, ang namin sa local, sila yung talagang backbone ng team. Pag nag-collapse yun, sigurado may hirapan si Kat alone na to deliver. She can handle yung sarili niya. So, pero yung output ng local, yun talaga dun magde-determine kung saan kami pupunta yung team namin.
Coach, coming off sa Chongqing previously, paano lang ang instructions niya sa team na sa ganitong crucial moments hindi na pwede yung magmaulit pa yung mga pagkakamali from previous?
Those, especially sa match ng Chocomucho, everybody's game. We're not into it, especially ng first 2 sets. Na-overrun kami ni Chocomucho that time, so unstable first ball. Yung service namin, very soft serve. So then, yung turn of events ng 3rd set and 4th set go into 5th sets, everybody's game. It's just the momentum. Hindi namin na-stop nung nag-commit kami ng unforced error, especially ng 5th set. Until mag 12-6 hanggang naka-recover kami to 12-15. So, kaya namin bumalik. So, yung those things na inaayos namin, especially during training. Yung mga small details for the good and for winning a point. So, yun ang inaayos namin sa mga darating pang matches namin and training.
Ayun, Coach, yun nga nabalita na ni Jaja na Japanese citizen na siya. As a charity coach and coach niya na rin dati, gano'n lang kayo kasayaw for her?
Well, ito na yung ano ni Jaja eh. Dream niya, kaya that's why nado naman siya sa Japan and nakapag-asawa na rin ng ano ng Japanese syempre. So ano, konti pa mas ma-fulfill niya yung dream niya to join the Olympic. Yun lang naman ang target. That's why nagano siya ng ano, nag-migrate siya sa Japan. So I think yun ang pinaka one of the biggest dream nung bata. O hindi na pala bata no. May asawa na. So yun lang. I'm happy for her na nakuha niya yung isa sa mga talagang ano niya. Hindi yung pangarap, hindi na lang siya pangarap. Andiyan na. So I'm happy for her. Tingnan na lang, ganun na lang.
For Coach and Kat, your last game in the preliminaries is against Petrogas. So what's the team's mindset going to be heading to that match?
I think it's just pretty much like every night that we finish winning a game. You know, we can win and enjoy at this moment right now, but tomorrow's a new day. I think with tomorrow Sunday, we'll get a little rest, and then Monday we're back to it, or maybe, I don't know, Monday or Tuesday we're back to it, and preparing for Petrogas, also amazing team. So just getting prepared for them, and also taking this experience as a way to learn and to get better going into the quarterfinals.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congrats. Thank you.